This is the 2-pack of cymbal stands. I got these stands for my lesson teaching kits, and I bought another set of them, and I've been using them actively, and they've been fantastic. When you get these, you get both of them out of the box. The upper portion right here, all of this is separated. You just stick it into the bottom slot, open the legs, you're all good to go. Very quick setup right out of the box. One cool thing is it does come with the wing nut up top and then 2 felts to put your cymbal on here and then a washer at the bottom so the felts don't fall through. And one really cool fact about these are both boomable, so this is the boom orientation of it. But this one can also boom, and how you do that is you lift the pole up and then you position it here, you twist it down, boom. Now this thing is a boom stand as well. So if you need to get a bunch of height in the straight stand configuration, you can do that, or in the boom stand configuration. These guys have a double-based base, and once you have it tightened down, it really isn't moving. Now, these are lighter weight, but they're not so light that I'm worried about them falling apart when I'm really bashing on cymbals. So if you're in the market for 2 cymbal stands and you want them as a pack and you want them to be able to boom as well as become straight stands, this one can also become a straight stand too. I would highly recommend these to you.